This is how we used to live before COVID 19 has started, full of happiness and togetherness. But now we are all away from togetherness and social people. Today's topic is on COVID word cluster. So, hi guys, this is CS Preetham. So, let's begin. COVID 19, an acronym created by WHO that stands for the respiratory disease caused by the novel coronavirus. It stands for Corona Disease of 2019. Close contact, also referred to as direct contact, this is when one person is physically close enough to an infected individual to come into direct contact with their bodily fluids, including respiratory droplets through which COVID 19 is believed to be spread. In order to avoid direct contact with someone who may be infected, it is important to practice social distancing. PPE, Personal Protective Equipment. It includes but is not limited to medically approved gowns, aprons or coveralls, gloves, respirators, face shields and masks. Quarantine, separating and restricting the movement of people exposed or potentially exposed to a contagious disease. Self-isolation. Isolation as opposed to quarantine is what someone who is confirmed to be ill with a communicable disease has to do to separate themselves from healthy people around them. Flattening the curve. Slowing the spread of the virus to lower the peak, that is the number of cases, and proper medical facilities should be needed for flattening the graph. That means to reduce the number of cases. Incubation. The incubation period is the time it takes for symptoms to appear after a person is infected. According to WHO, most estimates of the incubation period for COVID-19 range from 1 to 14 days, most commonly around 5 days. Pandemic, an epidemic that has spread over several countries or continents, usually affects so many people across so many countries. In order to mitigate this pandemic from spreading more, we have to follow all the systematic rules of COVID-19 like social distancing, wearing masks, using sanitizers, and follow all the rules while in public places. This is the only way, and finally, vaccination is the only solution to stop the spread.